What if I told you that farmers are now growing food without any soil and producing 10 times more crops using 90% less water? Hydroponic farming is changing everything we know about agriculture. But does it actually beat traditional farming? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which method wins and which one will feed the world in 2050. Today, we're going head-to-head. Hydroponic farming versus traditional soil farming. We'll compare them on yield, cost, water usage, environmental impact, and scalability. No fluff, just the real numbers. Hydroponics is the science of growing plants in nutrient-rich water with no soil at all. Instead of pulling nutrients from the ground, plants receive everything they need directly through water. This method was first documented in the 1600s, but today it powers some of the world's most advanced agricultural operations. Traditional farming has fed humanity for 10,000 years. It relies on soil ecosystems, natural rainfall, and seasonal cycles. Today, modern traditional farms use GPS-guided tractors, satellite soil mapping, and precision irrigation. But the core principle remains the same. Grow in the ground, harvest the crop. Let's put them side by side. Crop yield per square foot, hydroponics wins by up to 10 times. Water usage, hydroponics wins, using 90% less water. Startup cost, traditional farming wins easily. Hydroponic setups cost 5 to 10 times more to build. Water usage. Traditional farming is thirsty, often losing 70% of water to evaporation and runoff. Hydroponics uses a closed-loop system, using up to 90% less water. Growth speed. Because the nutrients are delivered directly to the roots, hydroponic plants grow 30 to 50% faster. You can harvest lettuce in 3 weeks instead of 2 months. Land and space. Traditional farms need massive acreage. Hydroponics can go vertical. We can now grow a field of kale inside a skyscraper in the middle of New York City. Chemical use. In the soil, you're fighting weeds and ground pests with herbicides and pesticides. Indoor hydroponics eliminates the need for most of these chemicals. Traditional farming is an environmental land problem. It requires massive amounts of space and can damage ecosystems through runoff and deforestation. Hydroponic farming is an environmental energy problem. It saves land and water, but demands a constant, reliable power source to maintain its artificial climate. By moving the water-heavy, fast-growing crops indoors with hydroponics, we take massive pressure off our natural land. This gives traditional soil farmers the breathing room to practice regenerative agriculture, healing the soil and planting forests back into areas that used to be overfarmed. Hydroponics isn't replacing traditional farming, it's rescuing it. The future of food relies on high-tech soil for our staples and high-tech water for our salads. So which one wins? The honest answer is both. Traditional farming feeds the world today. Hydroponics will feed the world of tomorrow. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe. Every week, we go inside the world's most advanced farming operations. And drop your answer in the comments. Which farming method do you think will dominate in 2050?